LogicMonitor has acquired Catchpoint to build an AI-powered observability platform designed to prevent downtime instead of reacting to it. By combining LogicMonitor's infrastructure monitoring and AI engine with Catchpoint's internet-level performance data, the new platform offers end-to-end visibility across cloud, code, and the internet. Customers get unified insights, fewer tools, and predictive alerts that fix issues before they impact users. The companies say the deal is a major shift from reactive IT to proactive AI-driven operations. How's your AI-driven operations across the internet, Tom?
Well, it hasn't driven me off of a cliff yet, so I'll take that as a plus. I think this is actually a smart move on LogicMonitor's part because they really do have on-premises enterprise IT infrastructure, that market kind of locked up, right? They're iterating there by providing AI-driven insights and things like that. But what you're missing is visibility outside of the firewall. Why would that be important? I don't know what's happened in the last month. Amazon botched a DNS update. Cloudflare botched a robots file. Oh yeah, the internet went down. So my stuff online on site works. My stuff online does not. Whose fault is it? Well, we know what happens. We get the finger pointing. Whose fault is it? I don't know. How do I fix it? I don't know. But at least with LogicMonitor now having Catchpoint's visibility built in, you can figure out where the problem is to know where you need to be making the phone call to make it happen. And I think that that's something we're going to start seeing more and more. You know, we saw Cisco buy Thousand Eyes. We've heard a lot from our friends at Kentic about doing this many times at Networking Field Day, but also at Cloud Field Day and a lot of other places. And Catchpoint has also presented recently at Cloud Field Day. And I think that what you're seeing is this shift to say, we need to have a source of intelligence to feed to our AI algorithms to be able to provide insights into where the problems are. Now, the outage thing is probably like the big winner here. But it's important to understand that any kind of latency or delay in the system impacts your users. And you need to be able to keep an eye on that, right? Are you seeing latency growing on a link over here? Well, maybe it's time for us to switch. Maybe we need to go to that backup MPLS circuit that we've had on hold for whatever rainy day problem that we might need to have. Or maybe we need to route traffic through our private network into a different DIA port so that we can get out and around whatever problems we're seeing. This is actually a huge problem for people right after we get back from the holidays here in December. January, usually those first 2 days in January when we're back in the office, everything just kind of falls apart because, you know, the Amazon transit gateways aren't used to getting that much traffic. Well, now with basically like a lighthouse, like an observability sphere, if you will, on what's going on out there, you can see if those numbers are ticking up, if those requests are taking longer than usual. So you can kind of calm your users down and say, okay, guys, have a glass of leftover eggnog. Let's let the storm roll past and everything will be fine. I think this is a good pickup for LogicMonitor. I'm happy that our friends at Catchpoint got a good exit. Can't wait to see how they integrate this. I'm sure we'll be talking more about this on the rundown sooner rather than later.